Oh, smells like Pennsylvania. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven, and today, boys, I am giving up. If you're new to the channel, you might not know that I have this really janky motorized bicycle that I've been working on. I've made 2 videos on it, and it hasn't worked once. I bought this thing for $30 on Facebook Marketplace, and yeah, like I said, it's never actually worked. The thing, it kind of sucks. But the nice thing about Facebook Marketplace vehicles is that they are never so bad that they can't get worse. Holly and I are gonna see if this thing even starts. That's a lot of shaking. It's like it's about to rip itself apart. This thing is, there's no way this is ever gonna be safe. There, you see what I was saying? Awful, terrible. It rattles way too much.
That doesn't sound so bad.
But wait! There's more. So I just put some air in the tires and this appears to be a broken spoke and it appears to have just punctured the tube because it going down. This thing's such a piece of junk. Now I can't even ride it. This is a representation of my feelings for this bicycle. They're very quickly deflating is essentially, they're very quickly deflating, yeah. That's essentially it. Okay, now I know that doesn't really seem like that much, but I'd had it up to here with this bike and I decided I was just done with it. So, you remember at the beginning of the video when I said I was giving up? Yeah, I gave up. So, I decided to send it on its merry way, and to tell you more about this, I would like to pass it to me. Thank you, me. I have elected to give the honor of working on this glorious pile of garbage to my good friend Dustin, who you guys might know online more accurately as Real Quick Repairs. Ironically, nothing he ever does is a real quick repair. I don't know why he chose that name. Anyway, he has expressed interest in wanting to get a motorized bike. I offered him this one. I said, you only have to pay me for it if you actually get it to work. So he's gonna try his hand on working on it. So, let's go give it to him.
Later.
Are you actually gonna ride it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a terrible idea. Is there a way for me to turn the flash on my phone and film?
Give me one though, I'll go get the outside lights turned on.
Okay, bird. I can. Oh, sick. Okay. This is like true crime now. This is how Alex Gross died. That's a billion ways of not okay. This is the worst idea we've had in a while.
No, the worst idea is
Oh yeah, that's fine. I don't see a problem with that.
I'll probably modify it, cut the seat, move it forward. So then instead
So that you're riding like a T-Rex, yes.
Yeah, I would rather ride like a T-Rex than a T-Rex with a on fire.
Even he's shaking his head at this. You got it. You got it. Oh my gosh. I know.
Sounds like a lawnmower.
It does, yeah. Sounds like a Toro. Oh dear. I genuinely I thought he was just about to hit the door.
I thought he was gonna slam the door.
I'm gonna take this thing inside.
It kind of worked.
That is so sketchy on gravel. Obviously, some improvements could be made, I think.
It's one of those things. It kind of works.
It kind of works.
How the throttle works, dude.
I'm pretty sure that it's... I might have taken it apart for something and then never put it back together, to be honest with you.
But like, why, Gary? Why?
Alex, how hot did your butt get?
Still cool.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, you want to feel?
What, feel your butt?
Hold up, guys. I wonder if we could get it up in the air and just see if it spins the tire really.
Oh, yeah, I bet we, yeah, we could do that.
Oh, no, it does.
Yeah.
It actually kind of started to take off, and I don't know why.
Yeah.
It had momentum. Because it had no load.
Right, yeah. Yeah, no load. You'll notice that whenever Alex wrote it.
Maximum load.
Hey, I think I know why the belt keeps jumping off. It's definitely it.
Yeah.
Why? Because it's you have no.
You've got mail.
tension.
Very little tension.
Dude, how is this like a sustainable system?
It's not.
This bracket is flexing. It's like
Oh,
the whole
really?
thing's flexing. Yeah, look at it.
Oh no.
So
that's bad.
You just need like more reinforcements.
Oh
We can weld something up.
Weld a like inch thick steel plate to it.
Hey,
Make it even more rear heavy so you can just wheelie it everywhere.
Wait, does that actually have battery still?
Hardly.
Oh, I'm very impressed. That has not been turned on in 2 years.
Bro.
This is I have a dumb idea. Would you guys be mad if I tried something?
Yep.
Okay, here, hold it.
What the
I was trying to do donuts and it didn't work. All right, so that's the end. For now, because I have insider information and I edit these videos, I happen to know a few things and let's just say, I don't know, man. I got a good feeling about things, you know. I think things are gonna go well. I have, high hopes, I guess I would say. And I think that this whole thing is going to be fruitful.
You would know something about fruit, wouldn't you?
Do I pay your salary or not?
I'm unpaid, bro.
You shut up. You just filmed the videos.
I'm
I
abused.
looked into the camera, not at you. Okay, but that actually is going to be it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed. It's good to be back. I've been gone for a little while, so it's good to see you guys again. Hope y'all are doing well. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button. If you enjoy my videos in general, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs before the end of the year. That is a lofty goal considering how little I upload, but I'm gonna do my best. So expect more videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. I will catch you all in the next video. Go out there and build some cool stuff. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye-bye.